guys, it's Kiera from Plaid, and I'm here to tell you all about how you can use Podge resin to create beautiful poured projects. Podge resin makes an amazing pouring medium and sealer all in one, which means all you need to do is mix your acrylic paint with the Podge resin and create all these beautiful projects. To ensure that your resin cures properly when adding a colorant or additive, be sure that it's only 5% of your total volume of resin that you're using. You can create beautiful canvases, 3D pieces of art, and even cutting boards like you can see here, which is such a huge trend. For more projects and inspiration, go to plaidonline.com/modpodgeresin.
Hey guys, it's Dylan from Plaid, and if you like that video, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Also hit that notification bell to be the first to know when a video goes live. If you end up making any of our projects, we'd love to see them. Be sure to tag them using the hashtag PlaidCrafts. Bye guys.